I won. He did.
Yes, Babu.
I want crazy one.
But Babu, we don't have one. We'll order one online, okay?
No, I want now.
Wait. I do something. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As you've seen in the story before, on Ivan's demand, today we are going to make DIY crazy balls. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. To make DIY crazy ball, you need air dry clay. I have chosen these two colors, one dark and one light. You will get this air dry clay online or in any stationery shop. I will put its link or code in the description box. As per the size of ball, you can take a quantity of clay of each color. It's little sticky, so mix it well. It is not necessary for both quantities of clay to be same. You can also use more than 2 colors. I wanted to keep it simple, so I'm using only 2 colors. Make 2 balls out of it. Then convert them into earthworms. Just kidding. To give it a marble effect, I'm mixing in the shown way. Don't you think it looks like marshmallow? Aha! I feel like eating it. Yummy, yummy. Mix. Round and round. Ghumao. A crazy ball is faster than Maggie, it seems. Ready before 2 minutes? Give a good round shape and bounce it. Ivan, see? A crazy ball is ready.
Yay! Yum.
But we have to set it for 24 hours. So, let's bounce it and see.
Yay! It's working.
If you like this video, let me know in the comments and stay tuned for more content. Bye!
Bye.